Hello, children. Today we're going to learn about one of Allah's beautiful names, Al-Basit. Are you ready to discover this special name together? It's going to be such an exciting journey learning about what this wonderful name means. Al-Basit is a very special name that means the expander. Allah is Al-Basit because He gives abundantly to all His creation. He provides everything we need and makes good things grow. Just think about how Allah gives food to every animal, water to every plant, and takes care of every single person on earth. Let me show you something amazing about Al-Basit. Look at how Allah makes tiny seeds grow. A seed might be so small you can barely see it, but Allah makes it grow into a sprout, then into a bigger plant, and finally into a huge tree with delicious fruits. This is Al-Basit's power, making small things expand and grow into something wonderful. Allah al-Basit also provides for us through our parents and family. Think about all the ways Allah takes care of you. Through the yummy food your parents prepare, the comfortable clothes you wear, the warm home you live in, and all the love and care you receive. Even the toys you play with and the books you read are blessings from Allah al-Basit. And you know what else? Allah al-Basit helps us grow in knowledge too. Remember when you were a tiny baby? You learned to walk, then to talk, and now you can do so many things. You're learning to read, create beautiful art, and discover new things every day. This is Allah al-Basit helping your mind and abilities expand and grow. Now, let's take a moment to think about all the wonderful blessings in your life. Can you count them? Think about your family, your friends, your favorite toys, and all the delicious food you eat. These are all gifts from Allah al-Basit. What other blessings can you think of? Remember, children, Allah al-Basit is always taking care of you and giving you exactly what you need. Every time you see something grow or receive something good, remember that it's from Allah al-Basit, the expander, the one who gives abundantly. Let's always remember to say Alhamdulillah, thank you Allah, for all these wonderful blessings.